To my daughter Cara, you have a special place in my heart forever. You came into my life at a time when my heart was broken and had a huge space to fill. You were so young back then, just like now. You had a wonderful smile and a huge heart of gold. I know I could never replace your father, but felt blessed to be the best dad that I could for you. You warmed my heart and put many smiles up on my face. Gave me purpose to keep on moving forward in life. You made my daughter Jessica your sister and your best friend. I love you for all of that and more. You brought to me both love and sunshine when you walked through my door. I will always love you, Cara, please never forget that. And in my time with you I have no regret. Our family had struggled, but we stuck together and we made it through. And it is for who you are that, my dear Cara, I will always love you. Sometimes it seemed as if all had gone bad, but somehow together we made it through. Times that were happy, even the times that were sad. I could not promise you much back then, but I did promise you love. I promised to protect you there. And the same promise still stands, always and forever, for as long as I can. You blessed my life when you brought your mom to me. After all these years I still love her, and she still loves me. I knew your heart that one day you would make a great mom. Years later, Papa had grandbaby Cynthia to welcome to the family. Though the years have passed so quickly, I'm writing this song just for you, so that you have no doubt that now and forever I will always love you. I thank our loving God in heaven